Hey everyone, it's April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio. I'd like to show you in this video how to do an invisible double crochet decrease, which I used in my newest free hat pattern to shape the crown. So let's show you how that is done. You start by yarning over, and then in the very next stitch, you will go under the front loop only. And then in the stitch after that, you will also go under only the front loop. Then you will yarn over, pull through both of those front loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's how it's done. You can get this free hat pattern at the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and have a lovely day.